In today's political climate, it seems it's more important than ever for children to have an international perspective to their education. With nearly 1,500 students from 70 countries, the International School of Brussels in Belgium is truly an international school. With its mission, everyone included, everyone challenged, everyone successful, it's recognised across the world as a school that is inclusive, international and innovative. We sent our reporter to Brussels to find out more.
The International School of Brussels feels like the United Nations. You hear many languages and accents being spoken by some 1,500 students from nearly 70 countries.
My name is Xun Siyuan, and I'm from China.
My name is Charles. I am from Argentina and from France.
My name is Leonazi. I'm from Lebanon.
My name is Zach. I'm from the United States.
I'm Lily. I'm from New Zealand.
I was born in Benin, but I'm Italian.
My name is Lesejo Morobane. I am from South Africa. And I think ISB is a good school because it's an international school. It brings people from different cultures together.
The school describes itself as a learning community characterised by internationalism, inclusion, innovation and integrity. You see the internationalism everywhere. On inclusion, around 15% of students taking the IB Diploma have diagnosed learning needs.
We're focused on students achieving their potential. One of the principles that we have is to ensure that all students have equal access to the curriculum, and so that our teachers need to be made aware of the different learning strategies that are appropriate to the IB and appropriate to the individuals in front of them.
Some 70 students get accommodations in the IB exams each year, from extra time to scribes to Braille. It's central to the school's ethos.
Each year we have also a panel of our students talk to professionals from other schools who come to hear from our students what they think of inclusivity as well. And they ask questions like, are you included in the same classes as your peers? Are you included in the same activities? Do you feel that you're given the same opportunities as everybody else? And the students are always quite shocked to even have that question, because they're like, why wouldn't I be?
Innovation doesn't just mean having the latest technology, it's thinking about new ways of teaching, new teaching environments, and preparing students for the future.
When we want our students to have the ability to innovate and to problem solve and come up with new creative ideas, what we really want to do is build a skill set that allows people to be that. And I think that skill set is based on curiosity, and the inquiry model of an IB diploma allows them to ask the right questions and to be curious in a productive way.
ISB values integrity, personal well-being and a sense of community, which are also important parts of the IB. Senior year student Dana Rentenaar volunteered at a refugee reception centre.
Because I speak Arabic, French and Dutch, it really enabled me to speak to those refugees and just donate a few hours out of my day to distract them from the bigger issues that they're dealing with. It makes me feel like I have a part in a larger world issue.
You're exposed to so many different types of people with different cultures and backgrounds that you learn to be an international citizen, sort of. You meet so many people that it sort of changes who you are.
The International School of Brussels was an early adopter of the IB programme, the 50th in the world to offer it. There are now some 4,500 institutions that do it. And they've really grown up with the IB programme. They're now celebrating 4 decades of delivering it. This independent, non-profit school defines success not just in terms of making a good living, but living a good life.
I think it's fine for people to be successful, to make money. I think many people at ISB would argue it's more important, just as important or more important, for them to be active, positive-minded, engaged, ethically contributing citizens of this world that we're in. The IB program supports what we're trying to do here at ISB, and I think the ISB experience is actually quite helpful to IB in terms of demonstrating what it's capable of in terms of advancing education to make a better world.